Good day everyone. Today, we will be presenting our inventory point of sale system. This presentation will explain the main modules of the system and how they work together to support efficient inventory management, accurate sales processing, and reliable reporting. We will walk you through each part of the system starting from the login process to the reporting and user management features to give you a clear understanding of how the system operates. Login module. The login module serves as the entry point of the inventory POS system. It requires the user to enter the registered email address and password to access the system. This module ensures that the only authorized users such as administrator and cashiers can log in the system's features. A registration option is also available for new users who do not yet have an account. Through this module, system and security proper access control are maintained. Dashboard module. The dashboard module serves as the main control panel of the inventory PO system. It provides system administrator with an overview of store operation in real time. This module displays key performance indicators such as the total number of products, low stock items, daily sales, and monthly revenue. It also includes a sales trend graph for the last 7 days, allowing the administrator to analyze sales performance over time. Additionally, the low stock alert section notifies the users of products that require immediate restocking. This module enables quick monitoring and decision making. Products module. The products module is responsible for managing all inventory items within the system. It displays summary information such as the total number of products, item in stock, out of stock product, and low stock items. The detailed product list includes product name, category, price, updates, product details, or remove products from the inventory. This module ensures accurate tracking and maintenance of the product records.
Point of sale, POS module. The point of sale module handles all sales transactions. It allows the cashier or administrator to search for products using the product name or barcode scanning. Products are organized by category to improve transaction speed and efficiency. Selected items are added to the shopping cart, where the system automatically calculates the subtotal, tax, and total amount. The POS module also supports multiple payment methods such as cash, GCash, and card. This module ensures fast, accurate, and secure sales processing. Suppliers module. The suppliers module manages supplier information and product sourcing. It's display the total number of suppliers, their status, and active or inactive, and the number of products linked to each supplier. Detailed supplier records include the company name, contact person, contact details, address, and status. The system allows the administrator to add new suppliers, updating existing supplier information, and monitor supplier activity. This module supports efficient supplier management and inventory replenishment.
Sales report module. The sales report module is designed to analyze and summarize the store's sales performance within a selected period. It allows the system administrator to filter reports by start date, end date, or quick options such as today, this week, or this month. The module displays key sales indicators including total sales amount, average sales per transaction, total tax collected, and the selected date range. An export features is also available to generate sales data in CSV format for recording keeping. And further analysis, this module supports informed decision making through accurate sales reporting. Sales trend and payment methods report. This screen presents graphical presentation of sales data. The sales strength graph shows sales performance over specific dates, helping the administrator to identify patterns, peaks, or disalignment in sales activity. Beside it, it's the payment methods distribution chart, which illustrate how customer pay using cash, GCash, or card. Below the charts is the detailed sales transactions table, which lists invoice number, date and time, cashiers, subtotal, tax, total amount, and payment method. This module ensures transparency and detailed tracking of all sales transactions. User Profile Module. The User Profile Module allows the system administrator to manage personal account information and preferences. It displays details such as full name, username, email address, account status, and membership date. The user can update certain information and save change securely. The module also shows account statistics, include total sales, process, and system activity. This section ensures proper user identity, management, and system accountability.
Overall system functionality. Together, this module supports efficient inventory and sales management by providing accurate reporting, transaction tracking, and user control. The system integrates secure login, reporting, analytics, inventory management, and user administration into a single platform to improve operational efficiency, data accuracy, and administrative control.